You are watching the Captain Shorts on the Captain Save a Home DIY channel. Previously, on the Captain Shorts.
Carpet padding is usually stapled to a subfloor.
We're gonna run into somebody overgluing. Right? For one, they're using BCP glue. For two, they're using way too much of it. There's no reason for as much as they're putting in, and so scraping it away just a little at a time, unfortunately.
And now, the conclusion of the project.
Which button do I push again? Oh, here we go. Hi, y'all. Don't mind me. Just go about your business. Let me know when you're done so I can take the credit for it.
Well, we've decided that our knees haven't suffered enough yet. So here we are, removing carpet and padding, get the concrete slab floor prepped to install tile.
The smaller areas are easy enough. But with the larger areas, it's going to be a lot easier cutting everything into manageable sizes. Manageable is going to be determined by what your workforce consists of, how the carpet is being hauled off, and how quickly you want to load and unload the debris. Cutting the material into widths of about 5 foot and rolling it up lengthwise is probably going to be the best choice.
Locations where the tile will be against the carpet that is staying will require that a straight line is cut. Leaving a little extra carpet on the side that is staying will ensure a tight fit to the tile once it is installed.
Luckily for us, there's a seam between the hallway and the bedroom, so we're going to use that to butt the tile up against the carpet.
Since the flooring that we're going to replace the carpet with is tile, we're going to be removing the tack strips, scrape all of the carpet pad adhesive off, and remove the baseboards. The baseboards are going to be reinstalled after we install the tile, so we'll have to be careful when we remove them.
To do that, you're going to want to use a utility knife to score the edge between the top of the baseboard and the wall. Also, you're going to want to do that along the corners and anywhere there might have been a seam spliced into the baseboard. After that, you take a flexible putty knife and separate the baseboard from the wall, just so you can get a pry bar in there to start carefully and gradually removing the baseboard from the wall.
This padding's coming off of this concrete real easy. Yeah, I mean real easy. Last time we dealt with it, they wanted to paint the fucking surface with glue before they put the padding down. Yeah.
Due to the dust, hard surfaces, and the sharp and jagged nature of the materials being removed, it is aggressively advised to use masks, eye protection, knee pads, and gloves while performing any demolition. Despite what some portray on the job site.
Janice, are you calling me out?
Well, Captain, you do seem to put yourself at unnecessary risk, as if you are in possession of some sort of unique high-tech equipment that regenerates damaged tissue.
And sarcasm, too. Wow.
Son of a bitch, I was trying to do it with the pliers and yeah? Oh, yeah.
Captain, I am detecting a rift forming at our location.
David Rain, procurement extraordinaire. If you need it, he's got it. And if he doesn't have it, just come back tomorrow. If it works, it's yours. If it doesn't, he'll have another one by the end of the week. A close friend and a practical joker. Stands on business even when he makes you laugh.
The thing is, I already knew you were full of shit, but even if you weren't full of shit, I'm close enough to laugh at you on the ground. Playing other throwing straight through your game. I like a puppy. Yeah, you're coming up. Yeah, you kind of deserve it.
To make the time pass quicker, you gotta have fun on the job site. And David makes it a lot easier to do that. But back to the task at hand.
Clean up is a bit of a process. The tack strips are more than likely not going to give up without a fight. So check thoroughly for any nails left behind during removal. And because the carpet and padding collecting dirt over the years, the removal of the tack strips, and the scraping of all the padding adhesive, there's going to be a lot of cleanup. You'll have to make several passes with brooms and shop vacs to get all of it up. Tile thin set is picky when it comes to debris, so making sure the surface is completely clean before installing the tile is important. Chances are, this isn't the last time we clean before setting the tile. If you live or own property in the Kern County, California area, and are considering a home remodel or repairs, feel free to go to our channel and contact us by email at captainsaveahome0@gmail.com.
The Captain, Denise Clark, Joseph Aloysius Coltrane, David Rain, and myself will return.